Hi children, good morning. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and are enjoying the classes. We have come back to our class today, Social Studies for 8th class. We have completed two chapters. One is reading and analysis of maps. I told you all how are maps made, why they were made, what were the reasons for the maps, and what were the changes made by the scientists and the geographers regarding the maps. The second topic I told you all energy from the sun, chapter 2. And I told you why, what is the sun and what does the heat and light from the sun give us, and that also I told you about a lot of changes in that. Today we are going to start with the chapter 3. Chapter 3. This is a very important topic. Earth's movements and seasons. Earth's movements and seasons. So students, this will be a very interesting topic for you all. Okay, and you will be very excited also while the lesson is going on. So just take out your page number 33, page 33, and take out your pencil, in your hands. So whichever is necessary, I will underline. I'll ask you to do so, and I hope you all will do it. Okay, students? Here we go with chapter 3, Ready? Page 33, Once more, I'll repeat. Earth's movements and changes. So seasons. So actually, the rotation of the Earth on its axis, gives a lot of changes, For example, we have learnt in the low sections, the rotation of the Earth causes day and nights. Again, we have seen the rotation of the Earth causes the difference between the seasons. So today in this 8th class, we'll go deeper. Actually, come and say the Earth is the only planet which has life, and in that whichever has life that means mankind. Man is the main cause for the more development on the earth. So we will see what are the causes and what are the changes here. We will see. Here we are seeing also, you can see the trees. Even this also we will see actually what are the changes, and for example we see the trees also. Okay, start. So Earth's movements and seasons. So changing seasons. So I have to explain to you also. Actually, what is the difference between seasons and climate? Season and climate. And what is the difference between a climate and a weather also? Climate and a weather. So today we will start. Changing seasons. Human beings live along with a large community of plants and animals. So on Earth, Earth is not the place only for human beings to live. So including humans, there are animals and plants. Of different kinds and different categories. All are living on the earth. Okay, but come to say, in all of this, human being is the only one who is much advanced life on the surface of the earth. We can observe constant changes in the course of the year. So in the year, as a year, actually we have 12 months in the year. How many months we have? 12 months in the year. And according to the seasons, you can say the 4 seasons, the main seasons, summer, winter and rainy. So, and moreover, in the year, this 12 months, do not follow the same course, the same climate or the same weather. Okay, we have a lot of changes. Going on in the course of the year. In the year, the flowering and fruits of trees and plants changes in the animal activity in our surroundings. So, not only of the animals and humans. Come and say the flowering process of the trees. For example, we are taking trees. So trees, during summer they shed their leaves. When spring comes, autumn comes, what happens? Automatically they get fresh leaves, and the trees blossom with flowers and fruits. As months passed by, you would have noticed that trees shed leaves. I told you, as months passed by, the trees shed leaves. That you can leave off leaves. The leaves drop out. See, you can see. This tree is green. It's green with all leaves. See, this tree is gone dry. It has no leaves on it. What are the causes? Stand bare. See the standing bare. New shoots come forth. They flower and fruit. See, actually, as a tree turns dry, after some time, what happens? You will find new shoots coming out. And after the shoots come out, the leaves grow out, you will find buds, flowers and fruits. You may have also noticed that in different times of the year, you get different kinds of vegetables. So coming to the vegetables and fruits, no, in the total year, see, all vegetables you do not get okay, in the year. Even the vegetables and fruits are seasonable, ma. Seasonable. See, sometimes some vegetables are grown according to some seasons. Some fruits we get only in seasons. For example, now recently we had summer, and what are the fruits we got in for summer? Mostly we got what? Mangoes. We got mangoes. Once summer is gone, again you do not get mangoes. We'll have to wait again for next year for May. Okay, May to come. April, May. This is the time you get mangoes, and many of you like eating mangoes. So you can say mangoes is also a seasonal fruit, ma. What is mango? A seasonal fruit. In some months it is very hot, and in some it's very cold. Yeah. In the some months are very hot. Some months are very hot, whereas some months are very cold. Example, say April, May. April, May. These 2 months are very hot. Very hot. So even in June, the first month, the first week or second week of June also, it will be very hot. But coming to say the May month, the month of May is very hot, ma, very hot. Coming again, say some months are very cold, very cold. Come to say January is the coldest month in the year. January, December, January, very cold, very cold. Why? Why are these changes going on? Why are changing on? Again, say June, July, August. June, okay, we have June, July, August. We have a heavy rainfall. Why? What is the cause? Why are these changes going on? Why are these changes going on? I told you, summer, winter, and rainy. Okay, we will see. We will explain more clearly. Can you relate? What are the major seasons you have seen? So, can you tell? Can you explain? Relate means can you explain? What are the major seasons you have seen? Can you describe what happens each? How hot it gets? How much rains? What happens at the plants and trees? What food you get and to eat? So you have learned all this, ma, in the lower sections, ma. I think from the 5th class, 5th, 6th, 7th class you have learned. Okay, in what months and what foods are grown. And okay, coming to the cultivation, most of the people in the village areas depend on farming and cultivation. If the rains, there are no rains, what happens? The crops the farmers have heavy loss. Suppose now the plants need only required water. Less water or too much water also may damage the crop. In the first picture, you see that the tree and its surroundings are covered by snow. See here, the first picture. See the snow. See, ma? It's all snow here. The first picture. You can see the tree and its surroundings are covered by snow. A kind of soft ice. Okay, ma. Snow means what? It's not ice, ma. It's not ice. A soft ice, ma. So, in the third picture, first, second, third picture, see here, this is third picture. Third picture, you can see the same tree sprouting leaves. There is no snow, there is no snow. In the second picture, the same tree has fully grown leaves. So here, the second picture, the tree has fully grown leaves. You see, it's all green here. It's all green here. In the last picture, ripe red leaves are falling on the same tree. So that's the third picture. See, the leaves are gone ripe. And they're dropping from the tree. Why? What are these causes? Do you know why these changes are occurring? Occurring means happening. So what are the cause? Yes, that's right. It is because of seasons. It's because of the seasons. All these changes are happening because of what? Because of the seasons. So there's a lot of difference. No? See, have you ever seen your surroundings? So, see, example in your surroundings, the area where you live. Have you ever observed covered by snow? Never, because our area is not covered by snow. So you may have seen it flooded by water during rains, but never snow. So yes, our area, coming to Andhra Pradesh area, we never get snow, But in the month of August, we have heavy rains. And these heavy rains cause floods, So example, we are staying here. See river Godavari. Comes the East Godavari area. When we have heavy rains, we get the alerts, flooded areas. So floods. So and why are these all going on? What are the changes? Some parts of the earth get so cold during some months. So example, some parts of the earth, of the earth get so cold during these months that they get snowfall instead. So some areas, they get snowfall. Why? Because of the extreme cold. That's not all areas of the earth. only some areas, The picture of the USA, okay, it snows heavily in the northern countries during winter. See, come to example, take USA. It snows heavily. It snows heavily in the northern countries, northern countries when during winter. In summer months, it is not so cold. Okay, not so okay. In summer months also, it is not so cold, but still much cooler than in our state. So our state, no, we are lucky to be in our state. No, see, winter is very hot. Summer is okay. Winter is cold, not extremely cold. When coming to summer, it is hot, not so hot. Rainy season, we have rains, but in some certain areas, we have heavy rainfall. Okay, ma'am. However, the funny thing is that in those countries, the day is much longer. So, the countries which are bitter cold, which are facing cold areas, the days are longer. The days are longer and nights are shorter. Okay, the thing is that those countries, the day is much longer in summer. So, in those places, okay, the days are longer in summer. So much that you can see the sun even at midnight. So, some areas you find the sun. Even at midnight. So this is one example, So one example given to us. So example now, come and see now. Find out which country is called the land of midnight sun. See example now. See here. This is one GK question given, for 8th class students. Okay, the land of midnight sun. So commonly the midnight we don't find land. We find the moon. Just above, right above our head, So but here we have a land of midnight sun. And locate it on the globe. So here they ask us to locate the place which is known as the land of midnight sun on the globe. Find out its latitude and compare it with the latitude of Andhra Pradesh. So find out which place is known as the land of midnight sun and locate it with the latitude of Andhra Pradesh. Means our area. Locate Australia, South Africa. So here also they ask you to locate on the globe. Australia, South Africa and Chile on the globe. So here also we can locate Australia, South Africa and Chile on the globe. Those are also called the countries of the southern continents. So southern, these okay. Here we spoke about the northern continents. Here we are speaking about the southern continents. Okay, Australia, South Africa and Chile. So that these continents that are south of the equator, these countries, because these continents, they are located towards the south of the equator. That's why they are known as the southern continents. In these countries, the cycle of seasons is different. So the countries which belong to the southern continents, the seasons are different. We'll see what happens. They have winter when we have summer. So see, when you compare those seasons, when we have summer, those continents have winter. And when we have winter, they have summer. So that's reverse, When we have winter, they have summer. And when they have summer, we have winter. In fact, this is the pattern in all places of the south of equator. So this is the pattern, Just quite opposite. Okay, quite opposite way. Because why? Because those places are located south of the equator. So the places regarding the south of the equator and north of the equator, the climate is totally different. And even the pattern also is total change, So, see, I think you understood here today, Here, actually, today I leave you all in suspense, Land of midnight sun. I leave you all in suspense. So, I wanted to find out which country is called as the land of midnight sun, and tell me the answer, So, this I'll give you as your GK question, GK question. What is the GK question? Which country is called as the land of midnight sun? Land of midnight sun. Okay, students. I hope you all enjoy the class, The next topic will be much better, Okay, this lesson will be very interesting for you all. It's a short lesson, and and moreover, this lesson is very important for you all. Even in the 9th class, students. Am I clear, So I hope today you all enjoy the class. I am also very happy that my 8th class students are posting the works, But a few are still have to have a small change. So here today, let's give you all a little homework, students. Come to page number 39. Page number 39, Okay. Am I clear, Take out your page number 39, students. Here, let's see the first question, Do you think there is any correlation between the crops grown in your region and the seasons? So the first question, we have to read it right. 2 times ma. How many times? 2 times as your day 13. Day 13. Okay, students, so what is the homework today ma? Page number 39. The first question. You have to write 2 times as day number 13. Post your homeworks without fail ma. Don't forget to write the day, date and the name of the lesson, including good handwriting. This is what I ask my students to do, and I hope they will do it ma. They will do it. I hope you all enjoy the class, students. Anyway, take care ma. Bye. Have a good day. Bye.